Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the NZ Day Trading 101 channel. I'm Shami and today I'm just going to be talking about instant gratification on your trades versus like people that hold trades for long term, and just as well as some other trading talk as well. I'm trying to provide a lot of value on these videos because they're quite lengthy, but the thing is the value you can get out of some of the stuff I say I'm sure can help a lot of people with their trading going into the future as well, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm just going to talk about making money really quickly or just waiting for a little bit and then making money. So the art of making money very quickly means that you're looking for instant gratification. So you're looking for results straight away. So I know a lot of you people out there, especially the younger ones, you know, like we want to get rich fast, you know, and all that. And we want to start making money straight away, and we're impatient, and when we're impatient and your trade's not working out, then we get frustrated and we show a lot of emotions that we don't want to show. So again, like remember that if you are aspiring to be a trader in the NZ market or just anything, then first thing is you need to keep your emotions at bay. You can't be too greedy, you can't be too fearful, always trade with a plan, have your stop losses in place, stick to your plan, and you'll be successful in the long term. Also, like being successful in trading, like it doesn't happen straight away. Like it takes time. It takes you have to learn through your failures. So all those losing trades that you guys do, make sure you're taking a learning lesson from it. So if you took like a $200 loss or like a $1,000 loss, take that away as a valuable learning lesson into the future. So like the mindset you guys got to have around trading is basically, like my mindset is, look, I'm going to trade all the way to like 65 years old. Like I'm just going to keep trading. Like my mentality is either like trade or die. For me, you know, I've been trading for 5 years. I don't know, my 6th year now, I don't know, 2015, 2021, yeah, 6 years, something like that. Along the way, you learn a lot of things. You also learn how you are in your wins and how you are in your losses as well, and how your emotions can really affect your trading and all the lessons that you learn from all your losing trades. Like these are valuable. So by keeping your emotions at bay and by learning from your losses, you're actually taking value from your losses into the future. Because let's say that you lost 3 times on a trade, and if you note it down somewhere or just find out like okay, I've lost twice doing this particular strategy or buying this dip, then you know not to do that again because it just doesn't work. So yeah. For me personally, like my trading style, I'll be honest, I like instant gratification. So I like to, you know, make gains straight off the get-go. I don't like my capital being held in a position too long, because I personally feel that anything can happen in the markets, you know, like you can have your capital in a stock and all of a sudden the stock has like a really bad announcement, just all of a sudden just says like, I don't know, like company's going bankrupt or something, I don't know, or just like lost a huge contract or something like that. That can send your stock down 20% or 30%, and you don't even know. You're in the stock waiting for it to go up, and all of a sudden, bam, next morning it's down. That's called like a overnight gap down kind of thing. So that's very dangerous. It doesn't happen that much in the New Zealand stock market. It hasn't happened to me. This is just a risk of trading. But that's why you trade quality stocks, and you know, if you want to trade stuff with like quality balance sheets and strong companies. But for me, I always trade momentum. I always trade stuff that's going up, that's, you know, really going higher. And yeah, so I just want to talk about it for a little. So let's talk about the 2 different types of traders. So first of all, let's talk about sort of the long-term traders that want to hold their stocks for like, you know, 3 months, 6 months, or a year or something like that. So these type of traders are more investors because they're holding long-term, and then they're going to sell at a good price. And so basically for people like that see value, so like let's say for Fonterra, for example, let's say they start to see value so low, I'm going to buy it and I'm going to hold for the long term. So what people are going to do, they usually buy it around here. Stock is low, it's at $4.25, and I think it's one day it's going to go higher. So a lot of people, you know, jump in here, and then they just jump in here for the long term. They don't care what happens in the middle over here. That doesn't matter to them. And then basically what they want to do is, when it goes higher again, let's say back up to $6, they'll just sell right there. So if they bought here and then, you know, like 779 days later, then they would have sold and made like what, 37%. So for those type of people, it's okay if they want to trade that way, and that's great because it kind of, the longer time frame you put on a trade, like it's just whatever your strategy is. Like, are you a short-term trader? Do you like to hold it for a few months? Like, are you looking for a particular game, particular setup? Yeah. Now, I just want to talk about the second type of trader. So these are the people that are they're looking for, like I say, instant gratification, looking for results straight away. So people like me, basically. I love to trade momentum. So I didn't actually catch Fonterra. I didn't catch this trade. I was looking at this trade, but I got a bit busy in my other stuff that I do. Let's say you got in on this trade here. Okay, so it's a good time to get in trade when the stock is the stock is broken out with a strong sort of candle in an upwards direction. You could have got in after the breakout over here on day 2, and then you could have just traded it higher. So within about 9 days, you would have made like 9% already. So if you chucked like, I don't know, if you chucked 10 grand behind it, you would have made like $900 or $1,000. If you chucked a grand behind it, you would have made $100, which is pretty good in just like 6 days or something. So yeah, that's really good. So these type of people, yeah, so they're searching for instant gratification. Then what you would be known as, if you are searching for instant gratification, or if you are searching for those instant results, then you'll be classed as like a momentum trader. You want to be trading short-term momentum. And that's what I found that works for me in the New Zealand market, is basically trading momentum. I love to trade momentum, getting in after the breakout has happened, or even beforehand, like if it just looks real good, then I'll get in beforehand. And then if it doesn't happen, then I know that I can cut my losses quick, because again, I love to sit in cash. I like to just have like my capital just sitting there, I like to chuck it into a trade, and I want to see some results fairly quickly. But if it's not moving with strong volume or something, then I might just take a small loss and just get out. I'll just like, all right, this trade is not for me. I don't really look at the P&L too much. I kind of trade setups, and I put the money in, and I'm like, all right, this is my point. I'm going to get out, and this is my target price, and I'm going to stick to that plan. Sometimes I might not even just pull my trade in before the plan is gone, simply because I see a better trade. So if you guys are in a trade, like because we, a lot of us probably don't have like heaps of capital, we probably have like $1,000 or something, and you got your full 1,000 in a trade, and that trade is doing nothing, and you've seen other trades like going higher, just get out of that trade. So basically, like, let's say it's up like $20 or it's down like $50 or something. Just get out of that trade, because that trade is taking too long to play out. There's other moves happening in the market. We need our capital to be trading other stocks and stuff. So that's really important that you are, selling. If you had a loss, you should have sold at your stop loss level anyway. So if you haven't sold at stop loss level and it's more down, then that's basically just like, you're investing now. You're investing because you didn't stick to your plan or didn't have a stop loss level. And if that sort of thing happens, then my suggestion would be just to leave that account sitting there, and just, if you don't want to cut your losses or you're down too much, just leave it sitting there if you think it's going to go higher into the future, and just start a brand new trading account. So if you're direct broking or something and you have like money in there and it's just gone down, your account's like gone down substantially, and then just, if you have indirect broking, then just go and open one for ASB Securities or one with Sharesies or something. Just go to a different broker, and just leave that sitting there. I've done that in the past, and if I didn't do that, like I have like I think I have like $2,000 or something sitting in like in an ASB Securities account, because that was ages ago, like 3 years ago. I was trading something like, it's at like 4 cents. I think it's called it's like a EV battery company, and I was like, yeah, EV batteries, electric batteries are going to go into the future. Nothing happened, went down like 40%, and I didn't let that stop me from trading. I basically left that there, still there at the moment. I might sell and just put it into some random altcoin or something in the crypto market, but I left it there, and I just leave it there. I just started again. I was like, all right, I know what I did last time. I'm not going to be trading stocks that are 4 cents. I'm not going to be trading stocks that are basically downtrending and stuff like that. So basically, I'm going to start a new account and a new brokerage, and I'm just going to get started again the right way. So this is yeah, so that's a great thing to do as well. So here you see Fonterra is still going up as well. Yeah, so anyone who traded Fonterra lately would have been, you know, would have made some good gains. So good on you guys. Yeah, nothing. If you're not going to get those 200% gains like in one day, or the 30% gains in one day in the New Zealand stock market. It's just like there's not enough volume, not enough traders. Like let's look at a little bit of crypto and let's just have a see. Let's just look at a crypto coin. All right. So this is a crypto coin here, which is, I think it recently went up. I think about 200%. So if you're searching for like, you know, gains straight away, or like, you know, 200% or, you know, 50 or 60% like one day, then you could try out the crypto market. I haven't figured out a consistent strategy short term, because usually the move has already happened, and when you don't want to be buying tops in the crypto market unless it's about to really break out and you can manage your risk, then it's all good. All right, so let's have a look. I'm just going to clear my drawings here. Move drawings. All right. So yeah, so let's say you invested over here, you saw some momentum there, then you would have made about 94% in just like 3-4 days. So you make some really good gains in like the altcoin market, but I haven't figured out a consistent strategy. I mean, you can see here, like in the altcoin market, basically, you know, you have big green candles here, then you have small red candles there, big green candles, small red candles. So you kind of know that something like this might, you know, have the potential to just sort of continue higher into the future. So if you buy here, then you can potentially make another, you know, 100%, like that type of stuff, which is good in the. This is not a trade idea, by the way. This is just like sort of just random, just talking about basically, you know, making gains quickly versus waiting and making gains. So yeah. Alrighty. So yeah, so I just want to talk a little about like you know, making gains straight away and long term, and just basically talk trading jargon with you guys. And yeah. So again, thank you for listening to my video today. Always appreciate the support. If you haven't liked and subscribe to this channel and like this video, then yeah, click the like button below, subscribe to this channel, and you'll get updates. And let me just go back to the other one. Yeah, now for you guys that are, you know, looking to make some good money in the share market, in the New Zealand stock market, and, you know, catch moves like these, then I do have a course available. You can simply do my free course, and then you get like, you go into like a paid course where basically I teach you how to make gains in the NZ stock market. So there's going to be lots of stocks that are going to be trending higher going forward into this year. Let's check out the market as well. So as soon as the market starts to reverse, we'll start to see a lot of stocks starting to trend higher again. That's the wrong one. So NZ 50G is what you want to go to. So yeah, so the market looks pretty strong. We see some big bold candles, but what we need kind of like a, let's see, we kind of need, so yeah, it's kind of trending downward, but a stop now, and it's looking like it's going to go up. So we need something like that to happen. You can see some really good trades. So if you guys are really serious about trading and you got like, you know, 5-10 grand or something in your account, or even like a, you know, $500 or something, or grand, you can still make money doing my course, because my course basically teaches you guys how to make money in the NZ markets, like step by step, like the tools, the risk management, the market conditions, like the strategies, like, and then I have some live trading examples, a live trading example in there as well, and some examples during the course where I just talk about trades that have worked and how to actually plan and profit from them. So I've been doing this for a while now, and it's definitely a really good course. Like, the thing is, there's so much like courses out there, like in the US and stuff, but the thing is, like, if I just went and gave out a free course, then the course is not going to hold any value. By paying for something, you're actually perceiving value from it. Like, I wouldn't want to buy a course for $20 because that's just like a low quality budget course, you know what I mean? By charging really good, like by charging a good price for a course, what you're going to do is you're going to perceive value. You're going to be more serious about it because you've invested in it. It's like, who wants to do a uni education for like $20, you know? Like, you're not going to, you know, give a shit about your uni degree because it only costs $20, but you pay like, you know, so much for uni, and it's worth so much, and it makes you results. The same way with trading, like by buying this course, what you're able to do is you're able to make money just like I am. I mean, if you got like 10 grand or 5 grand, then you can pay off your course on like one trade. So it just depends on your capital. If you do have like any questions about like trading in the NZ stock market and you guys are interested, you can always message me on Instagram. So my Instagram username is solo day trader, so you can see a bunch of like videos on there as well. But definitely, like, if you guys are serious, and definitely get on board. Pretty keen to make some gains. I don't want to be the only one making gains out there. I want to help people. So what I personally want to do is I want to help people make money. I want people to be making money just like I am, and because that makes me happy, because I really enjoy making videos, putting out content, and helping people be successful. So I have a few traders in the community or the Discord right now, and they've seen a lot of my trades, and they're doing pretty well, and they're learning quite well. So it's basically just timing, so just waiting for the correct setups to play out, and then execution. So yeah. All right, guys, thank you for listening, and have a good night, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace.